how to add or delete Insta Reels from profile grid. So if you want to add or delete Reels from your profile grid, then make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So once you're in the home page of Instagram, you'll be able to explore to various posts or videos over here. So in order to add Reels, you can swipe to the left or you can also tap on the plus button here at the middle of the lower section. And by doing that, at the right button side, here is option like post, story, reel and live. You just have to switch over the reel and you have to select the video which you want to post as a reel. After selecting, if you want to edit, then you can go for the editing tools at the upper section and edit the video. And once you're done, you can go for next option. And if you want your reels to be shared on Facebook, then you can simply go for allow, otherwise you just can go for not now. And if you want to tag people, you can tag. If you want to add topics, you can also go for that, and here are other various options. You can go for that and you just have to go for the next option over here and just go for share. It will take a few time to share your reel. You just have to wait and watch for it. And a few seconds later, you can see this reel has been posted. So if you tap on your profile at the right button corner, you will be able to see the reel that you have posted on your profile. So in order to delete it, you just have to tap on the three-dotted vertical line at the right upper section and simply go for delete option, and once again you have to delete. It will take a few seconds to delete, and you can see the reel has been deleted and it's out of the profile section or the profile grid. So this is how you add or delete reels from profile grid. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.